Dear children, in this video we will know how can we keep different foods fresh to eat for longer period of time without getting it spoilt, and how can we stay healthy. When we do not store cooked or uncooked food properly, it gets spoilt. It happens when food is kept exposed to air and moisture for a long time, and this promotes the action of germs on it. And so we need to preserve it so that it can be used for a longer time. The process of treating food to prevent it from getting spoiled is called food preservation. Food can be preserved by refrigerating, that is, or cooling, drying, canning, pickling, that is, adding salt, gelling, that is, using sugar to preserve food. This way, food does not lose its nutritional value. Cooling in refrigerator does not allow the growth of germs and helps to keep fruits, vegetables, any cooked food fresh for a longer period of time. Some food items like raisins, dates, peas are preserved by sun drying method. Sun drying removes the water content from the food, and so germs which can spoil the food are unable to grow. Then canning. Some food items are kept in airtight containers like cans, bottles to prevent them from spoiling. There are some special chemicals which are sometimes added for the preservation of food for a long time. Salt is used to preserve pickles. Likewise, fruits are mixed with sugar to make jams and jellies to preserve them. Now, let us know how can we stay healthy. In addition to balanced diet, sufficient amount of rest, good posture and regular exercise are essential to stay healthy. Apart from eating a balanced diet, we also need to take care of these factors also. Rest relax our muscles. We feel refreshed after a good sleep. Sleep allows our body to rest and be ready for the next day. Then about posture. Posture is the position in which we keep our body when we sit, stand or move. We must sit and stand straight. Thus, we will not get backaches and muscle cramps. Correct posture gives a graceful appearance also. So, we must maintain correct posture while sitting, standing, walking. We also need to exercise regularly to keep ourselves fit and healthy. It makes our bones and muscles stronger. It increases the efficiency of our heart and it strengthens our lungs, nervous system, so we do not feel tired quickly and can do more work. We get good sleep also after exercise. So children, eat balanced diet, do regular exercise and take care of the correct posture and sufficient amount of rest to stay healthy. Thank you.